In this little video, I'm going to show you how to schedule posts because Facebook has recently changed the way you can schedule posts. So originally, you used to be able to write a post normally on your Facebook page, write a post and click here to schedule in. So schedule lots of posts into the future. So if you were going on holiday, this was ideal because you could write all your posts and they'd all be posted for you automatically in the future. But as you can see, there is no option anymore to schedule it here. But there is a little workaround. So you can now, if we come off this, we can now go into the top. If you look at the top bar on your Facebook page, and if you click more down here, we're going to go into Publishing Tools. Now, once we're in Publishing Tools, this shows you a summary of all your different posts and things like that. But also down here, under Tools, it says Creator Studio. So under Creator Studio, you can create Facebook posts as you would normally on your page. However, the difference is that you can schedule them here as well. Now, when you first click on this, it may ask you to download and open up Creator Studio. So just follow those steps. You'll only have to do it once. And then once you've done that, it'll bring you straight into this. So the first thing is make sure you're on your correct Facebook page. Because if you manage a few, it might jump onto the wrong one. So make sure you're onto here on the right page. Then we click here. And it's going to come up with this, and we're just going to write a post like we would normally on Facebook. So I'm just going to paste some copy in, and then I'm going to click share a photo to add a photo. So again, the process is just the same as normal. Okay, so I'm going to create a post. Now, once we've got happy with the way it looks, we then come down to here where it says publish. So again, it's very much the same as the way we do it on our page. However, we've got this click down, this little arrow next to publish. So we're not clicking publish, we're going to click the arrow next to it. And here it says schedule. So all of a sudden we've got the schedule button. So we're just going to create a date that we'd like our post to go out. I'm going to click Thursday, about 7:12 p.m. because I know that's when my customers are likely to be on Facebook. And then we click schedule. Okay, success. So that has now scheduled our post. Now, if you want to edit it at any point in time, you can do that really simply by going back onto your Facebook page. And if we scroll down, now you will see underneath here a grey scheduled box saying one scheduled post. So we can go into this by clicking here. And there you see is that post that we just created. And we can simply click on it and edit it here. If you want to add any more text or anything like that, change that. If you want to change the photo, you can remove that there. Or if you want to add another, you can add that there and click save. And you can schedule loads and loads of posts this way. So a fantastic way to create your content in advance. So happy scheduling.